Hi everyone, my name is Jeremy Bird. I'm a medical intuitive, life coach and NLP practitioner with many other certifications. So I have some questions for you. Do you have the health you desire? Do you have the life that you desire? Do you feel fulfilled? Do you feel unfulfilled? You can pretty much tell how you're feeling. If you're feeling joyful, excited, fulfilled, you can stop watching the video right now because you're doing all right. But seriously, if you're having some problems with health, you're feeling unhealthy, you're feeling unfulfilled, feeling stuck, please book a virtual session with us, or you can join our upcoming webinar. It's going to be in January. We've developed a system that helps you move forward in life. It helps you bypass the habit loops that are formed in the basal ganglia. We'll explain that whole process to you in the webinar. But for now, please feel free to email us any questions you might have, or book a virtual or face-to-face session if you're in the Vancouver area. For now, stay blessed and hope to hear from you soon.